Hey Monopoly Go fans, running out of dice? No worries. Today I'll show you how to buy more dice in Monopoly Go so you can keep rolling and winning. Let's jump in. First, let's go shopping for dice. Tap three line at top right corner. You will see shop from the drop down menu. Tap it. Now scroll down until you find the dice pack. Here, you will see better option with various amount of dice. The bigger the pack, the better the deal. Next, pick the dice pack that work for you. There are small, medium, and mega dice pack to choose from. Select the pack you want to purchase. Choose a payment method. You can pay from Google Pay, Apple Pay, or credit card. Confirm the purchase, and the dice will be added to your account instantly. While purchasing those dices, look for special offers. Sometimes Monopoly Go offers bonus dice with purchase. Buy during events. Some promotion gives extra reward like cash or sticker with dice pack. Check for discount bundle. Limited time pack often provide better value than regular dice purchase. And that's it. Now you know how to buy dice and keep your game going. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Monopoly Go tricks.